In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Elementor global settings. This process is essential if you wish to transfer your design preferences, colors, fonts, and other styling elements to another site, or keep a backup for future use. It's straightforward once you know where to look, and I'll guide you through each step so you can do it with confidence. Let's start by navigating to your WordPress admin dashboard. You'll want to look for the Elementor tab on the left-hand menu. Once you find it, hover over it, and from the drop-down options, select Tools. This is where you can manage various Elementor settings integral to customizing and optimizing your website. Once you're in the Tools section, you'll see something labeled as Import/Export Kit. Depending on your version of Elementor or specific website setup, this might also be listed as Website Templates or simply Export Kit. Go ahead and click on that option. Doing so will open a new screen where you can handle different export and import functions related to Elementor kits. Here, you'll initiate the export process by clicking on Start Export. It's important to be cautious and attentive to options offered in this wizard-like interface. When presented with a variety of elements you can select for export, such as pages, posts, and settings, you'll specifically want to uncheck everything except for site settings. This ensures that we're focusing solely on the global settings critical for maintaining your site's design integrity. The Site Settings package includes key attributes like global colors, global fonts, overall theme style, layout dimensions, background settings, and lightbox preferences. After you've made these careful selections, you'll want to continue the process by clicking Next. At this stage, you'll see an option to Create Kit, or perhaps just Export, depending on your system's display configuration. By clicking here, you're instructing the system to bundle all of those chosen settings into a convenient export package. Once the export process completes, a zip file will start downloading to your device. This file contains all of your global settings from Elementor, neatly packaged and ready for either backup purposes or integration into another site environment. Always remember where you save this file, as you'll need it for importing into another site or when reverting settings after an update. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Elementor global settings. This valuable approach ensures your website's style and design consistency is maintained across different projects while providing a safety net for design iterations. I hope this guide has been useful and clear. Feel free to reach out with any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy